In this video, I'm going to show you how to view transaction history in Origin Financial. Let's get started. First, open Origin Financial on your computer and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the menu on the left side of the screen and click on the spending section. After that, select the Transactions tab. This is where you can see your complete transaction history connected to your accounts. You will be able to view details like the merchant name, transaction date, category, and amount. If you want to find specific transactions faster, you can use the search bar at the top of the page, or you can use the filters option. You can filter transactions by date range, accounts, categories, tags, amount, and merchants. This makes it easier to review your spending activity and organize your financial records. Below the filters section, you'll also see the option to hide or show transactions depending on what you want to display in your list. This can help keep your transaction history clean and easier to manage. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.